Machine learning is in the news a lot these days. Researchers are applying it to identify promising directions for drug development research, and companies are using it to derive market insights on their consumers. What is machine learning, and how does it work? In the broadest terms, machine learning is a process in which algorithms can learn to interpret data by observing patterns in existing data and applying those insights to data it has never seen before. Machine learning depends on mathematical models, equations that try to represent the way something works by breaking it down into its most important components. One of the first steps towards the machine learning we know today occurred in the 18th century when astronomer Tobias Meyer made detailed observations of the moon. Using this data, he was able to create a very accurate model which would allow sailors to work out their longitude, a major unsolved problem at the time. Computers can do this on an enormous scale. Today, an astronomer can use machine learning on millions of observations from a telescope to identify patterns and novel findings with astonishing speed. Machine learning uses a wide variety of techniques, but most have two components: prediction and fitting. Models are useful because they can make predictions about data. A common example is predicting the price of a house before it sells by using other information about the house. But other examples include predicting the stock market using recent trends or determining the best next move while playing a video game. In order for a model to get good at making predictions, it must see examples of the data and the correct labels. The process by which a model gets better at making predictions is called fitting. In the housing price example, fitting would involve showing the model several houses which have sold and their actual selling prices. After fitting to this data, the model would be better at predicting the price of unsold houses. Consider how we would build a housing price prediction app, Bestimate. We could fit a model to public data about houses which have already sold and their actual selling price. Then, users would use the app to predict the price of their home before selling based on the patterns learned.